Hi Donna. So your website mockup is ready to look over. Today we're going to take a look at the basic layout of the homepage, make sure that the style and everything is consistent with what you want your website to look like. I'm also going to show you how you can leave your feedback on specific elements on the site so you can tell me what you'd like me to change. And then once we have that all figured out and you give me your feedback, then I'll take a look at all of that stuff and translate it over and create all the other pages that go along with the website. That way they all have a nice consistent feel. Once we have the layout of all the pages done, then we'll go back in and add all the correct content, all the photos and all the text that you'd like to add. So let me go ahead and share my screen with you so you can take a look at what we're seeing here. Okay, so here we have the preview of the website. Got this fun animation there, the little cookie bar here. And again, the video that's playing in the background here is just a placeholder. My thought is that we could put one of the video walkthroughs playing in the background there so people can kind of get a sense of what it would look like. And again, there's there's dummy photos and dummy text put in here, so those are going to change once we decide what content we actually want to include. This video is just to give you an overview of the layout, so that's what we're going to be dealing with first. Okay, so that's the header section there. As we scroll down, you can see this section. We have this fun offset text example, a placeholder image, placeholder text. And then as we scroll down more, there's a testimonial section, kind of a breakdown of the services and the pain points that you're helping with your service. We have that photo here, and then a section about getting more qualified leads. And then we have this call to action here that allows people to view a demo of the walkthrough. We can either put a video together that says how to use the demos, or we can just put one of the demos itself. That way people can just see what it looks like if they were to use the walkthrough. And then down here I have a section on VR for businesses, because I know that's something that you're kind of branching out into right now, but it's not necessarily the focal point of your business, so I kind of have it here at the bottom. All right, and then we have our footer section here with a link to subscribe to the monthly newsletter and all the different pages. And like I said, these links don't work yet because those pages don't exist. I want to make sure that we have the layout and style correct on this home page here before we apply that same style and layout to the other pages, like the how it works, portfolio, FAQs, and contact pages. Okay, so that's it for what the website currently looks like, or what the home page looks like. And then I'm going to give you a little tutorial here for how you can give me your feedback on what you'd like me to change or what you'd like me to move or anything like that. So for that, we're going to need this section here on the left. And we'll just click Add Notes. Okay, so we'll press Let's Go. And the way that this works is you can see it highlights over different elements on the website. And if you leave me a comment on something, then what happens is I get an automated to-do list built from all of those requests. So let's say that you want me to change this piece of text here. So you see how it's highlighted blue. You can go ahead and click on it, and it says Your Note. All you have to do is type in what change you want. Maybe we'll change the color or something. And then when you're ready to submit that to the to-do list, go ahead and press this little plus button here, or you can just press the Enter key. So you'll see the to-do list as it populates here on the side. So everything that you add, I can hover over and I'll see exactly which element you're talking about. See how it turns blue there. If you want to remove something from your to-do list, you can press this little minus icon here. You can also add more feedback on all the different elements, and they'll all show up here in the to-do list. And then when you're all done, let me just cancel this one here. When you're all done and you want to send me your to-do list, then go ahead and press Submit, and it'll automatically send it to my inbox. That way I know exactly what you need me to change, and then I can isolate that, make all those changes, and then we can finalize the layout and move on to the other pages. Alrighty, so that's how you give me your feedback, and that's kind of the overview of the design. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any feedback tips, and then we can move forward with the website. Alrighty, have a great rest of the weekend, and I will see you later.